In this video, I'm gonna to show you how to set as official series for playlist on YouTube. So to set as official series on your YouTube playlist, firstly sign in your YouTube account, and after signing, click on playlist and new tab will open. And in here you will see a list of playlist. So select which you want to set as official series. In my case, I want to set this playlist as official series. So click on edit. Now in here click on these three dots and click on playlist settings. Now here you will find some option. So toggle to on position. So in here select to on position, set as official series for this playlist. So select it to on position, then click on done. That's it. So very quick and easy method. Firstly select any playlist and click on edit, then click on these three dots and click here playlist settings and select to on position, then click on done. That's it. Hopefully you like this video. By this quick method we can know how to set as official series on playlist or YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.